So, get your order while it's hot. New thing from Octo, the famous elusive back fuse cover. Here we go. Nice smooth surface, which is as well as the original. Originally, brakes. So more or less, there's a lot of breakages in this part because people, either it's old, it's heated through and through, it becomes brittle, and we need to replace it. So there's no paper included in this. Sorry guys, you would have to outsource it differently, or hopefully you have your own to install back. So we have flexibility here, and here. We need to be careful, we need to be gentle with this because it's plastic, it's 3D plastic, and in a case we don't need to overdo things, and don't go forcefully. Tools needed, nothing, your arms and a few minutes of your time. So let's go to the car. Okay, so phase 2 of 2. This is the old existing one, and as I mentioned, these brakes. So Octo, I'm sorry if I cheated a bit, but what I did, I soldered in some plastic wedges, and actually it works. But usually these are the most problematic ones. New one, installation, be sure. So this is important. You see this hole? You have to push this in so you catch these two. Don't do it beforehand because let's show you. If I put it not full in, it doesn't go up. So if I try to close it, it will break. So you go maximum down, click, and click. So really please be careful about this. If you will push it in before it clicked here, this will break. So it's easily installed and uninstalled. The most common issue is people put it in, don't push it towards the end, and when you pull it up, it breaks, of course, because it's not in the rail. So 1, 2, 3, 4, close it. Yeah, I'll be back.